How to redeem a Roblox card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you wish to redeem a Roblox card, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is simply tap on a browser, or if you have installed your Roblox application in your device, launch your app. In the browser, just search for roblox.com. Tap on the Roblox option. If you have not logged in into your Roblox account yet, make sure to log in. At the top right corner, you will see a Roblox icon or the coin icon. Just click on it. From here, you will see the option Redeem Roblox Codes. Click on it. Now you should find a dialog box something like this, in which you can enter your gift card number, virtual item, or your promo code. Once you enter it, just tap on the redeem option. If the codes are legitimate, you'll be able to receive the perks and benefits out of those coupons, code, promo code, and Roblox gift card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more.